In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Google Drive shared folder. Maintaining an organized and clutter-free digital workspace can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but with just a few straightforward steps, you'll find that it's easier than you think to tidy up your shared folders on Google Drive. First, let's start by opening your Google Drive. Naturally, you'll need to be logged into your Google account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Shared with Me section on the left panel. This section houses all the files and folders that others have shared with you. It's important to remember that while these files might not be taking up storage space on your drive, keeping them tidy will make your digital workspace far more efficient. Now, scroll through the shared files and folders. As you view each item, it's useful to examine whether it's something you still need or frequently use. If you come across files or folders that are no longer relevant, you can right-click on them and select Remove. Remember, removing an item from this list doesn't actually delete it for anyone else. It simply removes it from your personal view. This keeps your shared folder decluttered without affecting your collaborators. Next, for files and folders you decide to keep, consider further organizing them to make items easier to locate later on. You can do this by adding shortcuts to a specific folder in your My Drive. To add a shortcut, simply right-click on the file or folder you want to manage and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. Then, select the destination folder where you'd prefer this shortcut to appear. This method is highly effective for keeping your essential documents accessible and well organized. It's also a great idea to use Google's powerful search features to help you filter files. You can use the search bar at the top and apply filters such as type of file, last modified, or who it's shared with to locate specific documents more quickly. The search functionality can save you time, especially when your shared folder gets quite extensive. Lastly, take some time to manage sharing permissions. If there are any files or folders that you own and you want to limit access to them, you can adjust the sharing settings. Click on the Share button, and from here, you can remove or adjust viewer permissions, ensuring only the right people have access. So, there you have it. A few simple steps and your shared folder can go from chaotic to clear and efficient. Remember to revisit this process regularly to keep your workspace streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful in making your Google Drive experience just a bit more organized. Be sure to check out our other guides for more digital organization tips and tricks.